Expert advisor running wild. Strategy tester.
Disclaimer. Read this carefully.
Hello, this is Peter. Now I'd like to show you how to easily use the built-in strategy tester, on which you can use our robot, test its various parameters, settings, so that you can easily and quickly learn its functions and observe what has the greatest impact on the course of operations, on returns. To do this, first of all, you need to choose the financial instrument and the time frame on which you will conduct the test in the situation as if you were normally conducting the operation. That is, there must be an input signal. Here, for example, we have a P-wave top exit, a closed candle. At the opening of the next candle we have the opening of a buy position. That is, we have a date for opening the position. We set some stop loss level that we are interested in. We set some take profit level, let it be the first major top on the left, the first major resistance. In the next sequence we open the strategy tester. We choose robots. We want to test expert advisor. We choose which robot, that is running wild, that is by name. Then we choose the financial instrument we want to test and set the method on every tick. Then we choose the date range, the period in which we want to run the test. The shorter the test, the faster we can run it, so these dates should be chosen in the shortest possible range, a short area of time. The beginning is sent. Well, and it is clear, here this test further does not make sense. Since we have established this take profit here, then January 23rd to 24th is a date that will suffice as the end date of the test. For the purpose of this video I use the visual method. Normally I don't need to use it because the robot takes screenshots every time it opens an operation. Then I choose the interval, time frame, and spread, current. We do not use the optimization option. We now open the Expert Properties tab, and here we have the same parameters that are normally available as the robot's presets. We also have the option to set the capital level at which we want to perform the test. Here we can also choose the type of currency. And now yes, in the initial settings, the first 4 parameters relate precisely to the strategy tester. That is, first of all, normally when operating on the market we do not normally use these functions are available only in the tester. That is, in item 1 we enter the exact date and time of entry into the market. Here it should be noted that it should be during trading hours, and not during quotation hours. The direction of operations. We can also enter the stop loss level and also the take profit level. We do not have to. An important element, parameter number 5, for the tester maximum available is 1000 candles. If we enter more than 1000 in this field, the tester will not start. If there are less than 1000 candles available for this instrument in time frame that you are testing, then you need to enter here as many candles as are actually available. Then we set the basic values of this operation. We determine whether to use the level of trailing stops and take profit on the capital and the like. We do not want to use it. We want to see how much we could gain from this operation. The only thing we can set, for example, that we want to use the level break-even rolling, weighted. We can adjust here at what level it should be activated. We adjust it with this coefficient. Well, a number of different things we can test here. Well, and after verifying the items in the second column, the value column, we press OK and then press the Start button. At this point, the data are already downloaded, a graph appears to us, a green test progress bar. At this point we can see, the robot has opened the operation. Now it has already secured the first item, that is, a level of break-even. The line has become a continuous line. From this point the weighted level of break-even is watched by the robot. Every time the next operation is opened, a screenshot is taken. Photo. Here we can, of course, with this slider the progress of the test to speed up or slow down. We are interested in knowing the final result from this operation as soon as possible. The parameters should be well matched to the instrument. We have a considerable reserve. We are waiting what will be realized first, whether break even or take profit. The target is reached, the capital €14,600, that is, we have more than 13 times the return on the operation. The risk-to-profit ratio was 1 to 13.5. A very interesting operation, well-chosen parameters. This is how we test the robot settings. It is very simple and affordable. After the test, we can preview the results in tabs, both the results and the graphical flow of changes on the capital, or a detailed report of the concluded transactions. We can also go to the Folders tab, then open Data folder and here to the Tester folder. Here, in the File folder, we have a subfolder that was created automatically by Robot about the account number on which this operation is carried out. We open it and here we have some instruments that were tested. We enter the instrument that we have now tested, and after the opening date of the operation, we have stored graphic documentation of the entire test. We can open these pictures for ourselves and trace step by step how this operation was carried out. In this very simple and accessible way we can verify various parameters and adjust them to the way we trade or our preferences. Thank you. If you haven't already done so, then subscribe to our channel now, give a paw up and write any short comment under this video. This will make it easier for others to access this video. Thank you for your attention and I wish you fruitful trades. Greetings, Peter.